I have a question.
Yes.
How do you pronounce Y-E-S?
Y-E-S?
Mm-hmm.
Why are you interested?
How do you pronounce it?
Yes.
Very good. Now, how do you pronounce E-Y-E-S?
Eyes?
Oh.
What? What kind of dumb question is that?
Oh, hey, if you want to see some more wonderful things like this, come follow me on TikTok. Anyway, let's get started. Yes, it's that time again where we waste our money buying a bunch of random, what are these, candy canes?
Yeah. Yes.
Let's start off with Noids.
What? No. But first, we have Jolly Rancher, Skittles, and Juicy Drop.
Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for, the Juicy Drop.
It's a dip one, so that'll be interesting.
And we have Nerds.
Yes.
Okay, so let's
first, we gotta start off with the important details. Never mind.
Okay, anyway.
They even show calcium or protein at the back of it.
All right, so let's get started. On the back of this, it says, watermelon, so very cherry, totally tropical punch, road rash, raspberry, road rash, oh my gosh. Okay, and then gotta have grape, seriously strawberry. So those are the flavors. You see there, 50 calories for one candy cane. And I'm assuming this is all color coded. So
yeah.
This one I'm taking, I'm going to have this purple one. So according to the back of this, what is that?
The purple
Tank?
one, that's strawberry.
Strawberry, yay me. And what are you going to try?
I'm going to try the cherry and melon.
And what color is that?
Green.
Green. There you go.
Alright. So, do you know how to eat a candy cane?
Yes.
How do you eat a candy cane?
You just unwrap it and bite into it.
That's not how. You grab your candy cane like this, and then you break it in half like this.
Oh.
And then you take this part, unpeel it.
Oh.
Boom.
Okay.
All right.
I just unwrap it here. Because we're going to try several of these, we're just taking a bite. Well, ready to give it a score on a scale of 1 to 4. 1 meaning hard pass next year, and 4 meaning I'll pick it up because it wasn't that bad. I'd give the Nerds.
I'd give it a 1.
Yeah, I give it a 1.
Now, I don't know about you, but the one I had, it didn't taste like the melon or cherry. it just tastes like sugar. We didn't actually taste it. It's kind of disappointing.
Yeah, it wasn't a very distinct taste. I know mine was strawberry, but the taste of the dye, I can taste the dye, and there's red 40, blue 2, blue 1, yellow 5, red 40, lake,
and crush 40.
crush 40, right? But I can and red 3, I can taste the dye, and so if there's any type of flavoring in it, it's being overrun by the coloring. So cute, but no. I would probably recommend, if you're a do-it-yourselfer and you're doing something for your child's teacher and you want to decorate the bag, get this because it's cute, but not for consumption. What's next, Tank?
Well, Jolly Rancher or Skittle?
Jolly Rancher. That's what I want to go for. Jolly Rancher. Relive my youth. So
on the back it shows green apple, blue raspberry, and cherry.
Cherry.
Now, we all know that
And green apple.
cherry's
Cherry and green
overrated.
Okay.
Blue raspberry, overrated. Green apple's the way to go. So
Let's rip it open and let's try it.
all right, let's do that.
I have cherry.
I have green apple.
That's the bomb. Okay, we're gonna try it. 45 calories, so it's less. And yes, we have dye, of course. So let's try it.
Show the people going with the normal strategy.
I'm just unraveling.
Heard that crack? That means it's good.
That means that you ruined it.
No, if you don't hear a crack when you bend it, that means it's old.
Let's go for it.
All right, yes. Give me a second. Hey, it's still opening. All right.
You go first. What do you think?
Okay. I'll give this a 4. Now, you can actually taste the green apple in it, which is amazing. It tastes like a green apple Jolly Rancher.
I agree. The cherry, for a minute, it tasted like it was going to go left. When I say going left, had the initial taste of like Jolly Rancher, then it started tasting like, okay, we're no longer in the Jolly Rancher territory. But then everything just merged together and it tastes like cherry. Would I get this again? If I'm out and about around holiday times and I just feel like mixing it up a little bit, because my favorite of all times is the traditional peppermint candy cane, I would get this.
Disappointing.
I'll give it a 3. 3. Oh.
Skittles.
Oh, I hate those commercials with
Taste
people
the rainbow.
with the candies all over their faces.
That looks clean though. I think that looks clean.
It's making me itch just thinking about it.
All right. So Skittle, it's just all Skittle flavors: lemon, green apple, grape, strawberry, and orange. Let's get into it.
Oh, the Skittles, 45 calories. And you know there's no nutritional value, it's just straight sugar. So let's get to it. Let's taste the rainbow.
The quality test?
Okay.
It's good quality.
Oh, I accidentally.
You heard that snap too? Yeah!
I accidentally.
Now this is what I call a real candy cane.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Okay, here we go. Okay. I'm tasting. Real quick. 1. I don't like it. It's not bad. I'm sorry. It's not bad. Actually, it tastes like Skittles. It really does. But I'll still give it a 1. It doesn't give me the nostalgia of this. It's okay. It's sweet. Tastes like Skittles, but yeah, a 1. What say you, Tank?
I'd give this a 4.
He's giving this a 4? Why?
If you like the taste of Skittles, and looking for candy canes other than the generic old nasty peppermint ones, Skittles is your first place to go.
Did you just... Okay, he just...
It tastes like Skittles. It legit tastes like Skittles.
If you take a look at this, this is exactly what it tastes like.
It tastes like Skittles.
It tastes like Skittles. It tastes like you put a whole handful of random Skittles in your hands and just popped them in your mouth. You're tasting the lemon, the green apple, the orange, the grape, and the strawberry all at once. Some people like that. They like mixing all their flavors. I don't. And these Juicy Drop. Whoa. Well, first of all, these are 90 calories, but you are getting 90 for not only the candy cane itself, but this juicy stuff. They're calling it a gel. Okay, so you have the flavors of apple and punch.
Oh.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
I'll have the opposite.
Okay, I'll go with green apple.
I have the red one. He has the green one.
Yes.
The green one will be apple, and mine is knockout punch.
Oh.
So according to the directions, you're supposed to have, each candy cane comes with its own sour gel dipper. So you're going to, there's the little juice stuff. Cheers. All right. And your candy cane. This candy cane looked like it's seen better days.
Oh, wait, no. Oh, I thought that was a joke. Oh, they do look kind of deformed.
Here's the candy cane. And knockout punch. So I'm going to pop this open.
Wait, how'd you get the candy cane out?
I just, yeah, there you go. All right, work it down. All right, so here's the juice. I'm gonna just taste it separately. It
Doesn't
tastes
have
like fruit punch,
Oh. Mine doesn't have a taste.
like high C.
Oh, it
Okay,
kinda
let's
does have
go.
a taste. Alright.
Okay. I tasted, I dipped, I'm ready to review. Scale of 1 to 4. And I will be honest, I picked this because I said this looked like it's going to be interesting. So out of all of the ones that we tried, this was one that I personally got into. Look, this looks kind of crooked and weird too. Man. Anyway, skip to it. Scale of 1 to 4. 1 meaning a hard pass, 4 meaning I'm going for it. Again, I will give this a solid 1. This tastes like try too hard. What do you think? Well, he's going to town on it, so I guess he loves it. What do you say, Tank?
Well, candy cane wise, the green apple is lacking. You don't actually taste green apple. But okay, the juicy drop thing here, the little container here, is the only thing carrying it. It doesn't really have much of a flavor. It's just 'cause it's sour. So I personally, I'd give it like a 2. Because the little juicy drop container here is good, but
The drops. Yeah, the drops.
I wouldn't say it's worth it.
Yeah, it's live.
I take those nasty old, dirty, nasty trash apartment candy canes over this. So.
Wow, the harsh. Don't ask for one off my tree. Good grief. So that's it. So juicy drops, I gave it a 1. You gave it a
2.
Put your finger up. There you go. Skittles, I gave it a 1. You gave it a
4.
Okay. Jolly Rancher, I think I gave it a 3. 3. Yeah, because I was worried about my hand signals. But anyway, yeah, I gave it a 3. What did you give it?
4.
All right. And the nerds. What did you give it?
1.
I gave it a 1 too. So, I mean, nothing bad about these, but I will tell you, you want to stay away from that dye. I mean, it looks cute, but try to find more natural things. But it's the holiday season. No one's really caring about all that other stuff. So enjoy your life. Hug your loved ones and all that other good stuff. And be safe out there. So I guess I will be the only one saying bye because he is fully engaged with his candy. Until next time.
See ya, chumps.
Woo!